G'day everyone, welcome back to Mudabung Aussie. Today we're doing a classic Aussie dish. It's a staple on every pub menu, I'd say, throughout Australia, especially in Western Australia. The good old Chicken Parmigiana. And it's a pretty easy dish, goes Italian origins. We just go by the easy step-by-step process of how to make your own classic chicken parmy. Cheers everyone. Welcome back everyone. Well, you say it's a pretty easy process to follow, and you can see the end result here, lovely and golden brown they are. Using chicken breast, just thinly sliced, and then just seasoned flour, egg wash and panko breadcrumbs, and pan fried. A lot of places do deep fry these, but I prefer it pan fried. It's a lot better, more healthier, or healthy as you're going to get it with these. Okay, then it's the homemade tomato sauce, the onions, garlic, bit of white wine, tin of tomatoes, fresh basil. Just puree it up, and you put, once you've grilled the schnitzels off, just layer it with some ham, put the sauce on top, cheese, under the grill, and there you go. Serve it with salads and chips. The only argument over here about the chicken parmy is with the chips in the pubs. See, always arguing about whether you serve the chips on the side or underneath. So and always served with a salad, but it's probably 99% of pubs here in Australia. So we'll give it a go. Taste test. Well, it's lovely this. You can taste the basil on the sauce. You can always put a bit more in there if you want. If you want to change it up a bit, you can always put a bit of chilli in with the sauce too. And I just got cheddar cheese on top of that, but you can do mozzarella or half mozzarella, half cheddar. It's a pretty easy dish. Kids love it. I say just serve it with a salad and Bob's your uncle. So if you like it, please hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Please You know, tell me if you do make it. Tell me how you felt about it. And we'll see you for the next video. Cheers everyone, from Motorbung Aussie.